who learns she is pregnant must come to the palace maternity grounds. Any woman who hides her pregnancy or tries to escape will be killed, along with her child. This law is absolute.
The king's decree swept through Owundu, and all women were gathered. Those ready to give birth were escorted to the palace chambers, while the sound of the Ikoro drew ever closer. Any who tried to flee were hunted down and returned. But Nena refused to stay. Under the cover of night, she slipped into the shadows, running through the forest, branches scratching her arms, fear pounding in her chest. At last, she reached the sacred shrine, falling to her knees before the gods of her land, pleading for mercy, protection, and hope.
Great gods of our land, why me? Why must I carry this burden?